Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to perform subtraction of two 8-bit numbers in 8085 microprocessor using immediate addressing mode. So we will see the flowchart of this program, then actual program in assembly language, then the steps that we have to follow using Anshuman kit, and finally we will see the actual performance on Anshuman kit. So let us start the video. So first thing is we have to see the flowchart. So in immediate addressing mode, the first number should be loaded into accumulator, then that we are calling as N1, then the N2, that is second value, should be subtracted from accumulator, and whatever result you are getting, that result is stored into accumulator and should be stored into another register. So in this program I am using here B register to save the result of subtraction. Okay, you can take any other register also. Then finally the program is over here. Now we will see how to write the program in assembly language for subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. So this is the actual program written, and we are going to save this program in the memory from 6000H address. So let us start to execute this program. So currently once you execute the program counter will be pointed to 6000H address. So the first instruction is MVI A,05H. By this instruction 05H will be saved or loaded into accumulator. Okay. Second is SUI 02H. So 02 subtract immediate value 02 from accumulator. So this is the actual meaning of this instruction. So 02 will be subtracted from accumulator. Okay. So accumulator will contain 03 after execution of SUI. Then after execution of SUI instruction, the flags will be updated accordingly. Okay, so S flag is 0 because our result is positive, that is the D7 bit of accumulator is 0. So copy of D7 bit in accumulator will be transferred as it is to S flag. Then 0 flag is 0 because our accumulator contains non-zero value. Then auxiliary carry flag is 0 because the carry is not generated or borrow is not generated from D3 to D4 bit. Then parity bit is 1 because the number of logic ones in this accumulator are 2, that is even number of ones are there. Okay. Then carry flag is 0 because in subtraction operation the carry flag acts as an borrow flag. Okay, so borrow is not been generated, the result is positive, so carry flag is set to 0. Then next instruction is move B, A. So here accumulator contents will be transferred to B register. That means we want to save the result into another register. So here 03 value is transferred to B register. Then last instruction is RST1. So this is restart instruction. So this is the last instruction, that is weak software interrupt. Okay. So once the processor executes RST1 instruction, the program counter will be transferred to 0008 address to execute the ISR. So here this is the end of the program, and now let us see the actual process what we follow on Anshuman kit. Procedure to operate Anshuman kit of 8085 microprocessor. So total we are having 3 processes: feeding the program, executing the program, and seeing the result. So in the feeding the program, first of all we have to press the reset key, which is available on right bottom corner of the kit. Red key is there. Okay. So Anshuman kit provides you the PC keyboard to feed the program. So on the keyboard we have to press S. Okay, initially we have to press here S, then press enter key 2 times, enter. Then once you will see the address, that is ADDR on the 16:2 LCD, then we have to press the starting address. So in the program we have taken 6000 as an starting address. Okay, then press again enter. Okay, then feed the byte. So first byte will become 3E as we have seen in the program. Then press enter, and you just continue this loop till we don't feed the last byte of the program, that is CF, the opcode of RST1. Okay, once you feed the last byte of the program, you have to press escape key. Okay, that is the indication of the program is over. Now the next step is executing the program. So for execution of the program, the process is very simple. If there is no need to press reset key, but if you want, you can press the reset key on the kit. Okay, then press G stands for go, then press 2 times enter on the PC keyboard. Then when you see ADDR, that is address from which we have to start the execution of the program. Obviously we have to start the execution of the program from 6000H address. So 6000 should be typed from the keyboard, okay, and after press enter key. Okay, once you press the enter key, the program will be executed and you will see the home screen. Then if you want to see the result, then you have the two choices. The first one is the result may be stored into register or the result may be stored into memory. So once if you want to see the result in register, then after second process, that is after 2, that means executing the program, immediately after executing the program, press S, then enter, then press 2 times any key. Okay, then once you see the register on a 16:2 LCD, then press enter, then you will see the name. So here the name will be the register name of which you want to see the contents. Okay, so register name should be pressed from the PC keyboard. Then as you press the B register, you will find the contents, that is 07. Okay, then if you want to see the results in memory, then this process is there. So press reset S, that is substitute, 2 times enter key, then it will show you ADDR, that is address whose contents you want to see. Okay, so you can provide here the address. So this address is result address actually. Okay, and then press enter key. So this is how we can perform these 3 steps to see the actual output. Okay, now let us see the actual performance on Anshuman kit. Now let us perform the subtraction of two 8-bit numbers using 8085 on Anshuman kit. So Anshuman kit comes up with PC keyboard so that we can easily enter the commands or the data to execute the required program. Okay, now let us start the SMPS of the kit, and I am pressing here reset key. So here Anshuman is displayed. Okay, now we have to follow the process which I have told you earlier. So I am pressing S, that is substitute S, then press 2 times enter key, then address will be displayed here. So from this address, that means the starting address needs to be mentioned here, from which we have to store the program, we have to feed the program. So I am entering here 6000 address as a starting address of the program. Press enter key. So here the something other values displayed here, but our program, the first instruction is 3E, enter, then 05, enter, keep the same. C6, that is the opcode of ADI, that needs to be changed to D6, that is the opcode of SUI instruction, D6, enter, enter, and then 47, enter, CF, enter. So here our program is fed and we have to come out of this program feeding process. So press escape key. Okay, after escape key we have to execute the program. So for that we have to use the go command. So press G, okay, press enter, then specify the starting address of the program, that is 6000, then enter. So here our program is executed. Okay, now we need to check the output of the program. So for that we have to again use the S command, that is substitute S, press enter. Okay, then press any key for 2 times. So I am pressing here Z. We want to see the output in register. So once you come to the register, press enter. Okay, then it will ask you the name. So where is the result stored? So in B register we have stored the result, so press B. Okay, so values provided to this program is 05 and 04. So 05 minus 04 will be done and the output will be stored in B register, that is 01. So command needs to be entered is G command, that is go, G, enter, enter. Address is 6000, enter. Now we have to see the output, so press yes, enter. Then press any key for 2 times, so I'm pressing here Z 2 times, Z Z. So once you come to the register, press enter. Okay, then it will ask you name. So we are our interest to see the contents of B register, so I'm pressing here B register, B. So here you can see the output is 1. So this is how we have executed subtraction of two 8-bit values.